Hi there, this is Andy, and today I will guide you on how to buy and sell stocks or ETFs on the Ally Invest mobile app, as well as how to fund the account and navigate the platform. Once you download and log into your Ally Invest app, you will land on the main dashboard. There you will be able to see the current balance of your investments, as well as the total accounts you hold. I currently hold one account there. If you slide down a bit, you will be able to open a savings account, currently offering a 3.6% annual percentage yield, to perform a self-direct training, and to check a free virtual workshop. The first order of business is to add additional funds to the account. To do that, tap the Make and Invest Transfer. After you tap it, you will land on the new screen where you will be asked to either transfer funds from a bank or brokerage account or from an existing Ally Invest account. Since I want to transfer funds from a brokerage account, I will tap the first tab. Select the account where you want to transfer funds to, then select the account you want to transfer the funds from. For me, that will be the Capital One account, and enter the amount. Today, I will add $30 to my account. This will be a one-time transfer, so if you're ready, tap Continue and tap Submit. The transfer was submitted. Now, since this is the end of the week, most likely this will process the next day, and the next day I mean Monday. So the money did land in the account first thing on Monday, so now with the extra funds we can proceed and trade. To buy a stock or ETF, tap on your account and then a new menu will appear on the bottom. Tap Trade and then tap Choose a Symbol. Since I have already bought SCHD in the past, the ticker appears in my most recent symbols. But let's assume it was not there. Enter the ticker you wish in the search bar. I will do VTI for example, and as you can see, the available tickers that resemble my search do appear below. Anyhow, now we'll go back and retype SCHD as this is the ETF I will buy. Tap on the ticker and there you have it, the dashboard on which you can buy the assets. My cash buying power is $32.17 and the current price of the ETF is around $25.75. So you can either select a bid or ask price, or you can first add the quantity, for me it will be 1 share, and then choose the order type. I don't want to do a limit order as I don't care about the price, so I will do market. Now tap preview order and there is a detailed review of what the order will be for you to review. Buy 1 share for $25.76. Once ready and certain about it, proceed and tap place order. The order was placed. You can tap order status to see if the order was executed, which, since it was market price, it would, but this next screen confirms it. Now tap overview and scroll down so you can see your current holdings. As of this moment, I have 2 shares of SCHD. In order to sell any of your assets, tap on that asset and you will get a new screen. This is a bit different from the prior screen as this allows you to see a chart. And if you slide down a bit, you can see an analysis. I am assuming as this is an ETF, the analysis doesn't show. So right after we sell, I will go and check it out and present it to you. Anyhow, below that, you can have a deeper dive into the assets and collect information such as the market cap of the assets, the ask and bid price, as well as the expense ratio. I like that they have a few columns on the dividend data, which goes back to 5 years of overall performance. States the current dividends per share, which is 25 cents, and also gives a dividend X and payday. Last, on the bottom, we can see the current holdings of that asset. As I said, that's 2 shares of SHD, as well as the top holdings of the ETF. ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Verizon, and Coca-Cola are among the top holdings of the SCHD. Anyway, slide to the top and let's proceed to sell a share. Tap Sell, and then you shall get the same dashboard we used to purchase the ETF. This time, if not pre-selected, select Sell on the transaction, enter the quantity, the order type, and tap Preview Order. If you agree with the order, tap Place Order. And that is how you buy and sell stocks or ETFs on the Ally Invest app. Now let's see what else the app has to offer. As promised earlier, I pick a stock this time so we can check the analysis. I went with Apple, and as you can see, it has a rating of 5. The consensus opinion is moderate buy, and the average price target is $236.47. Should you take that seriously? Not at all. Never trade based on those scores or target prices. They are often getting changed, so their overall weight is abyssal. One last icon that is worth checking is the research. So tap on it and you shall see the indexes along with their performances. Today Dow Jones is slightly up by 0.19%, while the S&P 500 as well as Nasdaq are slightly down. If you tap on any of them, you can get their overall performance up to 1 year in a chart, as well as a button to trade it. If you tap it, you can see the bid and ask price. Screen stocks and ETFs can be a bit useful, so tap on it and you can see the analyst top stocks, market movers, as well as value stocks and money makers. I select value stocks and now I can see the 83 value stocks on my screen. Obviously, all need some detailed analysis prior you jumping into, but I like how they put them in categories. They also provide some more filters in which you can trim the proposed stocks even more. If you tap ETF, the same applies, but the categories available are 3. Track the S&P 500, retirement and income, and low-cost equity income. I will tap on retirement and income as I love income. So let's see what Ally Invest suggests. 13 ETFs, the first one is SPIB, with a solid 4.42% dividend yield and an overall 1-year performance of 6.33%, followed by a steep buy ride and so on. I always like recommendations so I can perform a deep dive, so it is a good feature to have on any app. Last, you can see the market updates and more news on the research tab as well. Overall, Ally Invest app is a solid application that complements the Ally Invest web platform well. If you don't yet have an Ally Invest account or you're still deciding whether it is the right broker for you, no worries, we got you covered. On our YouTube channel, you will find detailed tutorials and review videos that walk you through everything you need to know. In the video description below, you will also find direct links to 2 helpful resources, a step-by-step guide on how to create and fund your Ally Invest account, and a complete walkthrough of the Ally Invest web platform, including how to place trades, connect multiple bank accounts, and navigate all the available features. If you're looking for a full review on Ally Invest before making your decision, be sure to watch the dedicated review video as well. It breaks down the pros, cons, fees, and who this platform is best suited for. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced investor, you will find valuable insights to help you make the right choice. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video guided you on how to navigate, fund your Ally Invest account on mobile, as well as how to buy and sell stocks or ETFs on it. Like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. I will be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.